this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to get to your student scores and how their SMART scores on the different skills that they practice. So the quick way, analytics, come down to scores, score grid. I can choose the grade, I can choose the students. The glitch I talked about in the training is the fact that it does not break out your kids by course. So this is every kid that would be on your roster alphabetically. But here you can see a lot of kiddos have practiced a lot of different things. These are their SMART scores. So what I can actually do is I can narrow down by date range. So if you're thinking about using this in your grade book, I would actually just say what happened this week or maybe yesterday. So I can say this week. Notice nothing showed up. So if you have a bunch of kids who didn't do the assignments this week, what you can do is actually just click practice skills, and it'll actually break out the kiddos who practiced specific skills this week. So that's the quick way to get to those SMART scores. Whatever you choose here, it will stay defaulted on. So it might be helpful to just turn those things off the next time if it makes sense for you.